Naka. Wow, Victoria. Oh, Victoria. Papunta na kami.
Begonia.
Oh. Not Bergonia, Victoria. We're going to Victoria.
My family name. Bergonia.
Victoria, magfi-ferry na kami, guys.
Kita ma Begonia ano. Begonia.
How many, I think, ferry we spend 1 hour? Is it 1 hour?
No, it's been 2 hours.
No!
Yeah.
Uncle. Ferry.
Aduh si mami kinikanakan.
Yan, ante, uncle. Waiting sila. Sasakay sila ng ferry. Oh my God. Ang haba yan, guys. Ang haba niya. Ang haba ng pila. Sa kabila, mahaba din. OMG. Oh. Ayun, hanggang dun. Sa dulo, hindi mo makita yung dulo niya. Sasakay na kami ng ferry, guys. With Uncle, Auntie. With my insan, aunt, and family. Yan. Sasakyan, nakaharap lahat doon. Kasi doon kami sasakay, guys. Oh,
Malaking
oo
ferry.
nga, oo.
We are waiting.
Papuntang Victoria, magpe-ferry. First time auntie mag-ferry? Ako rin. Naglay maglukat na eh. Anya di manugang na oh, ang bait-bait ng manugang niya, inaalalayan niya din. Wala.
Nakadanon ti
Ay,
Hanlang Edmonton.
Wine, antay. Ayan guys, so ang lalaki ng bus oh. OMG. Oh.
Mag-elevator na.
Wow! Guys, may elevator pa to ah. Okay, waiting for the elevator ng ferry. Guys, hanggang dun sa dulo, yun, puro sasakyan na yan. Yay! Ako na yung huli. Pasok na sila guys, mag-elevator kami. Ilang floor kaya ito insan? 4? 4? Okay. We will see when we get there. Oh, ayan guys, ang lalaki talaga. This is the second deck. Look at that, second deck. Yan. Ah. Oh, guys, with my auntie. You're so excited, so pretty girl. Ah. We're waiting. Sa loob na to ng ferry ah. Oh, ayan na, maiiwan yung sasakyan dito. Ayun. Oh, second deck kami guys. Tingnan nyo naman to. Guys. Oh my God, tingnan nyo yung bus. Ang laki oh. Ah. Papunta na kami guys sa taas. Hindi na nagsasalita nante.
We are now entering inside the ferry, big ferry.
Wow.
Oh. Ano ka?
Yan guys, papasok na to ah. Loob na to ng ferry yan.
So,
Ayan, guys.
we are on the second deck.
Yan, nagsasalita yung insan ko yan ah.
We here.
We're here. Are you scared?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Overloaded sila sa mama. Napaksyak na. Guys, kasi kami kompleto. Sasakay sana sila para nagbulungan na sila. Hindi sila pwede
Walang
na.
ibang amoy.
6, okay. Wow. Hello, sir. Oh, you're so tall, sir. Oh.
Guru kak gini nahiyad ka. Sige.
Okay. Oh, ganda. Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Yo, tumutunog na. Ay! Audrey! Oh. Nakaupo sila, oh. Ayun, guys. Ay. Thank you. Thank you. May ikot, auntie. Oh my God, may ikot. downstairs.
I already went, actually. It's pretty cool down
Now. Okay. Tukra di plug di Canada na eh. Oh. Oh. Oh, napardasan tayo. Oo. Ayan, tignan mo yung ano oh. Oh. Anong te no? Yung naganuhan ng grabe oh. 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 Ala, ang bilis. Yung bandila ng Canada is waving. I'm in yeah, in Canada. Look at the flag of Canada. What? Whale. Okay, later we will see where's the whale. Ah.
Maybe somewhere far.
Huh?
It's far.
Yeah, no, not far. That Canada. Oh, nag-iingat ako guys sa aking camera. Look at that, my auntie. Oo, hindi pa nag-wave ano. Sobrang hangin guys dito. Ayan, nakaupo lang sila sa gilid. Relax, relax lang sila. Oh, very fast. Guys, pumunta kami dito sa taas. Oh. Ito guys yung front niya. Front ng tinan mo may nag-ano auntie oh. So fast. Ayun, doon kami nang galing. Oh. Sandex City. Ang laking ferry ito guys. So, look at that.
And then we were there, and then, fuck, that was stupid, but there's like a sandbar out there, so you're on the beach, and then we got the snorkeling stuff, and then you're over there. It's like snorkeling all the way. I don't know. This is real good. I haven't been traveling so well.
You're very excited.
Probably go back home.
Very excited. I'm very excited to see my brother here and Victoria.
Tenting, so we'll see how that goes.
With my niece. The weather is good.
Yeah, but we never took the ferry this way. We came from Nanaimo.
Victoria na kami, guys. Oh, ang ganda dito. Wala akong nakitang whale dito. Ang laki. And guys, yung malapit na kami. Very happy to see my brother and my niece in the rest of the... Ang ganda. Ang ganda. See? Ayan guys, aluwang dito rin. Oh. Pwede ka rin manood ng TV. And then, nandyan sila. Oh. Yan. Nagre-relax na sila. Oh. Oh. Sarap ng ano nila. Oh, oh nasan yung ano? Tatlo. Nasaan yung tatlo? Ay, umikot din. Ah, pwede pala umikot. Sa'yo. Iba-iba. Pwedeng ano, nagpo-coffee, ganyan. Oh, what are you going? Na kami, tignan nyo kung ganong kadami ng tao. Oh.
I wanna have a stuffy like Feifei.
Ha?
A stuffy like Feifei.
Oh.
I wanna go ask Mom.
You ask them. Pwede palang maglaro ng bata dito. Ay, oo. Oh, yung mga bata guys, may laruan sila dito. Oh, 'di ba ang ganda? Hindi sila maiinip kasi may mga laruan sila. See? And then kung gusto mo naman guys, may ano diyan, Starbucks. May bilihan din diyan guys. Spirit of Vancouver Island, welcome aboard. Ayun, palabas na. Yay! Thank you Lord, palabas na. Yo! Palabas na kami sa ferry. And, welcome aboard the Spirit of Vancouver Island. Yung Dixie's Arbutus Coffee Bar, Parents Room, Seaweeds Lounge, Kids Play Area, and Passengers Lounge. Deck 5, Bus Information, Chef Steward, Passages, Coastal Cafe, Passengers Lounge. And then the Deck 4, Vehicle Deck, and then Pet Area, and the Deck 2, Vehicle